Yeah, we've learned that at least 8 firefighters have been treated for heat-related illnesses, mostly heat exhaustion. We're told, thankfully, they are all going to be okay. That part of the positivity here, the positive progress that's being made out here. Let's show you some of the footage. Firefighters say they've been working hard from the air and the ground, and that teamwork is definitely making a difference out here as this fire, we know, exploded yesterday afternoon off the 5 in Castaic. We got an updated briefing in the last half hour, and firefighters say shifting winds and water drops have helped them get their arms around this fire. The ground crews and aircraft, they're working together. So the Paradise Mobile Home Park evacuations have been lifted. In all right now, 9 helicopters and 2 super scoopers are working from the air. Fire resources will continue to work together. The big thing today is boxing in this fire, fire officials say, and reinforcing the fire lines. This fire, as we said, started south of Castaic near Lake Hughes Road Wednesday afternoon. It quickly exploded because of these extraordinarily hot conditions, exploded into more than 5,000 acres. Firefighters told us this morning that one building has burned near the Ridge route. It's not clear yet if it's a home. They're taking a look at it. And as we said, some evacuations have been lifted, but there are still mandatory ones in place. These weather conditions, extreme, excessive heat, steep terrain, and low humidity, some of the greatest challenges for crews on the ground.
We're really at day one of about a 9 to 10 day fairly extreme heat period. And if you can imagine, wearing heavy firefighting gear, carrying packs, dragging hose, swinging tools, the folks out there are just taking a beating.
With this heat wave, it's very hot and dry. We saw how quickly a small ignition can ignite and spread very rapidly.
Firefighters again told us they're building on the success of last night into today, but they know these upcoming days are going to be very challenging based on these weather conditions. We did speak to one resident who lives nearby who talked about it being very chaotic during the evacuations yesterday. We're going to have some reaction from the firefighters on that. And also one other note, the 5 North had been closed but is open now this morning. But again, expect some delays. It is still very slow going coming up in this direction. We're going to send it back to you in Hollywood.